In 2023, over 40 billion tons of CO2 were emitted into the atmosphere, an insane amount. Scientists warn that we have only 25 years before irreversible climate change leads to rising sea levels, air pollution, and extreme weather, problems that will claim over 250,000 lives every year. Hi, I'm Suhaan, CarbonSafe's Chief of Market Analysis and Innovation. Living on the East Coast, we experienced the direct impact of climate change last September as smog from the Canadian wildfires enveloped us. This first-hand experience highlighted the urgent need for actionable solutions. Inspired by these experiences, we created CarbonSafe, a revolutionary facility that will transform the way businesses handle carbon emissions. Our innovation dissociates carbon dioxide, the primary greenhouse gas, at ambient temperatures, offering a practical solution compatible with critical high-emission processes like aluminum and steel production. Currently, the only alternative is carbon capture and storage, or CCS, which involves burying CO2 deep underground. However, this method poses risks such as tectonic shifts, carbon seepage, and high energy and capital costs, making it a less viable and practical solution.
Hi, I'm Melody, Chief Operating Officer and Head of Sustainability Implementation. Our product employs a liquid metal alloy composed of magnesium and gallium to convert CO2 into solid carbon and oxygen. After filtering out the other gases using a specialized polymeric membrane, the CO2 is then pumped and stored in a reaction chamber where the trays that facilitate alloy flow and a gas compressor are used to catalyze the reaction. Once CO2 levels reach 16.67%, the process halts and the carbon-crusted alloy is taken to a separation chamber, then spun rapidly in vials to isolate the dense alloy from the carbon using centrifugal force, and finally collected by a robotic arm. This reaction, validated and tested by chemists from the University of Melbourne, is a step toward reducing emissions.
What makes our product different is the ability to preserve the carbon in our reaction. With the sale of this carbon byproduct, we can not only reduce emissions, but contribute to a circular economy and create a successful business.
CarbonSafe creates a sustainable solution in a market that is desperately looking for one. Hi, I'm Arin, Wani, CarbonSafe's Chief Financial Officer and Head of Marketing. Currently, CarbonSafe has a $15 billion service available market to work with. This market is expected to grow anywhere between 100% to 600% over the next decade alone. Within our non-customer segmentation, our Tier 1 customers are companies in carbon-intensive industries struggling with rising carbon emission limits, seeking cost-effective solutions to expand their output while cutting CO2 emissions. Our Tier 2 customers are carbon-intensive companies not currently facing emission limits, but likely to seek solutions like CarbonSafe as global emission limiting policies tighten. And our Tier 3 customers include the general public and small business owners interested in investing in our company to help build a greener future. CarbonSafe aims to eliminate excess CO2 in the atmosphere and inefficient carbon capture technology. We aim to reduce the cost and energy of carbon capture technology while supporting federal governments worldwide to limit carbon emissions. CarbonSafe plans on raising the profits of CCU companies while keeping prices low and raising awareness of the climate crisis and feasible solutions on the market to solve this dire issue. And finally, CarbonSafe will create a new market for carbon capture technology. We hope to foster collaborative partnerships with governmental bodies worldwide and carbon-intensive companies to grow our business and to help make a real change in the world.
So far in our journey, CarbonSafe has devoted their funds and resources from previous competitions to CarbonSafe's development, created a prototype design and business plan encapsulating everything we will do to succeed, created a world-class website to attract potential customers and investors, working towards creating partnerships with several businesses who may invest in the company and buy our product, aligned ourselves with UN sustainability goals, opening up opportunities for environmental grants, and conceptualized and designed non-patented technology. With the ability to repurpose our carbon byproducts for sale, our model creates a blue ocean space by not only cutting emissions, but also creating a strong, sustainable business. Overall, CarbonSafe's innovative carbon capture and utilization technology will ensure a brighter, better, and greener future for all.